Imalsha's Research Guide. Research guidance for students and professionals.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Imalsha's Research Guide. I've been working as a research assistant for more than 6 years in the academic field. Over the years, I've had the privilege of assisting bachelor's and master's students, as well as other researchers, in developing proposals, conducting literature reviews, performing data analysis, and successfully completing their research. I've also assisted them with article writing, statistical analysis using various software, questionnaire design, presentations, and preparation for vivas and thesis defenses. Now, I'm here on YouTube to share that knowledge with you. My goal is to make the research journey easier, clearer, and more enjoyable for students, scholars, and anyone who wants to succeed in academic research. On this channel, I'll walk you through every single stage of the research process, step by step. And along the way, I'll share practical tips, proven strategies, and real examples from my experience that will save you time, reduce stress, and help you produce high-quality research. So, if you want to grow your research skills and get the right guidance at every stage of your academic journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'm really excited to share my experience with you. Let's start this research journey together. Stay tuned with Imalsha's Research Guide.